Economic activity shows extraordinary record expansion. Will economic exuberance last? Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to today's Big News. In a twist of pleasant events for India, its various economic indicators are now pointing towards recovery. It is no news that the pandemic had ravaged the economy, so much so that the economy had contracted by an unprecedented 8% for the financial year 2020-21. Additionally, the economy had contracted by a significant 23.4% in the first quarter of the same financial year. This emphatically showed that India's economy was amongst the worst hit economies around the world. Though the economy had shown signs of recovery in December 2020 and the economy had exited its technical recession after festive season. But many have cast their doubts over economic growth as the second wave had again led to the imposition of partial lockdowns across various states, which had made the business slightly non-accommodative. But amidst all the uncertainty and detestable contraction, economic activity empathetically showed record expansion. The record expansion was recorded for the week that ended on August 8. According to the report that was released, Nomura India Business Resumption Index, that is NIBRI, soared to a whopping 99.4. It is to be noted that the Business Resumption Index was up from 94.0 last week. The fact that such a resumption and a growth was recorded is that detestable COVID-19 cases have remained under control, which has ensured higher mobility amongst people who are now venturing out their homes after COVID fatigue. It is to be noted that the resumption in economic activities is not sudden but comes after various plateaus and depressions. According to reports, after briefly plateauing, the mobility index picked up sharply. Such a spike was noted in Google Retail Workplace, which rose by a significant 7.4%, and Google Recreation Index, which rose by a significant 5.3%. On the other hand, the Apple Driving Index had risen by a significant 6.7 base points. It is to be noted that a percentage point is equal to 100 base points. It is no news that manufacturing, which is the biggest contributor to the economic GDP, is also an avid user of electricity. Thus, it can be rightly stated that electricity consumption is quite a comprehensive indicator in the pace of economic activity in the economy. According to Nomura Index, power demand in the economy rose by 5.3% week on week. This shows record expansion in the consumption of power. It is to be noted here that this came after power usage has been shrinking for 3 consecutive weeks straight. There are likely chances that the economic recovery after the second wave may lose its robust momentum. But why? This is due to the fact that the threat of the odious third wave looms large. Additionally, several states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, which are still reeling under COVID pressure, may not be able to unlock or lose restrictions as quickly. Secondly, the consumer and producers' confidence are at an all-time low, which does not fare quite well for the economy.